Hi guys, Samantha from Jessama Tutorials here, and this is a short video demonstrating how to use my Skinner Blend cutters. So if you go to the listing on Etsy, you'll know that it goes from a 2-part Skinner Blend triangle, as you can see, all the way up to a 10-part Skinner Blend triangle. Now the point of these is that you use them basically the exact same like you would any other triangle cutter to cut out your blend, but they're made in such a way that each of your blends will be about 16 centimeters wide. So it will always fit a 16-inch pasta machine, no matter if it is a 2-part blend, 3-part blend, 4-part blend, 7-part blend, or even a 10-part blend. So I go up to a 10-part blend, and so I want to demonstrate that one. And so I'm just going to use my cutter to cut out one of each of these 10 colours I have here from Polymer. You can see it's really easy to use, it's pretty straightforward, and you'll do the exact same with the other cutters. So if it's a 3-part blend, you can use 3 colours and cut out 3 pieces from 3 colours. If it's a 7-part blend, you cut out 7 pieces. If it's a 10-part blend, you cut out 10 pieces. So depending on however many colours or pieces you want in a blend, that's going to dictate which cutter you use. And now I sell the cutters individually in a full set or in 3 cutter sets. Just need to make sure that I have cut those out properly. There we go. Okay, so you'll start from number 1 and you'll just alternate the triangles like so. And this is basically the exact same way that you'd make any Skinner blend. In some of my older YouTube videos, I demonstrated how to use a square cutter to make a blend, where you basically cut out a square from your chosen colour, and then you cut that square in half to form a triangle. But the problem is, if you're using the same size square each time, your blend is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's going to need a larger pasta machine each time. Whereas these triangles, they'll stay the same height, but each triangle will get smaller as you progressively go down, as you include more colours. And so it's nice, it will fit into your pasta machine, but you'll be able to fit more colours in your blend. And so I've had a few questions, especially on my cane tutorials, where I use like a really big piece of fairly large blend, and then it stretches all the way across my pasta machine and I have to do it in 2 parts and things like this. These cutters are here to solve that problem, so it makes it a lot easier. There we are. Okay, I'm just going to gently press on that end so that it's going to sit together. Then, like any other blend, you'll cut off that one part of the triangle, swing it round so it sits up top here, and now you get a nice flush end. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just going to use my roller quickly to roll these onto each other so that they're not going to come apart in my hands when I put it through my pasta machine. Okay, now I'll just quickly clean up my tile and I'll bring over the pasta machine so you can see what I am doing. Okay, so here's the pasta machine so you can see what I am doing. And I'll bring over my blend and I'm going to set this on my 5th setting. And now mine is a 17 centimeter pasta machine. No, it's an 18 centimeter pasta machine. So mine's a little bit bigger than the smallest pasta machine that you can get. Okay, and you'll fold it in half like before. Now, like any Skinner blender, is going to stretch across your pasta machine as far as it can go. Oops, need to tighten out. It will stretch across your pasta machine as far as it can go, so it's not going to stop it from doing that. It just means that if your width is that far, it's going to sit inside there. There we are. And you fold again, and you continue doing this until you've reached your desired blend. Okay, and so here it is. I could blend it a little bit more, but I'm quite happy with that. So it works basically the exact same as any other Skinner blend you make. It just keeps it to the size of your pasta machine without you having to stress about being too big and you having to do it in multiple parts. So I do hope that that showed you how to use the Skinner blend triangles, and the same goes basically for any of the other Skinner blends. It's just that there are less parts to it, so each of the triangles will be a little bit bigger. So I do hope that was helpful to you. If it was, please do let me know. I'll provide a link in the description below for the Skinner blend cutters. There will be a link to my Etsy shop where you can buy them. And if you do have any questions, let me know and I will try to answer them as best I can. See you in the next video. Bye for now.